What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Travelers Car Insurance. Travelers Insurance is a well-established provider for car insurance, offering a range of coverage options and discounts to meet the diverse needs of drivers. With its long history, strong customer service, and competitive pricing, Travelers is a popular choice for car insurance in the United States. Now, let's talk about some of its features and benefits. This feature provides peace of mind in case of unexpected car trouble such as dead battery or flat tire. Travelers' roadside assistance coverage includes services like towing, fuel delivery, and tire changes, ensuring that drivers can get back on the road quickly and safely. Travelers loan or lease gap insurance helps minimize out-of-pocket cost if a vehicle is totaled and the policyholder owes more on the loan or lease than its cash value. Loan or lease gap insurance covers the difference so the policyholder doesn't have to bear the financial burden. Travelers rewards safe driving with a discount for households that haven't had an accident, violation, or major comprehensive auto insurance claim in 3 to 5 years. This discount is not available in California or New York. The Safe Driver discount encourages responsible driving and can lead to significant savings on premiums. Travelers offers a multi-policy discount to customers who choose to bundle multiple insurance policies such as auto, home, and umbrella coverage. By consolidating their insurance needs with Travelers, policyholders can benefit from cost savings and streamlined insurance management. This discount encourages customers to simplify their insurance portfolio while enjoying the convenience of comprehensive coverage under one provider. Travelers' car insurance policies include comprehensive coverage, which safeguards vehicles against damage not caused by collisions. This coverage extends to incidents like theft, vandalism, hitting animals, storms, and certain natural disasters, providing policyholders with broad protection. With Travelers' comprehensive coverage, drivers can rest assured that their vehicles are shielded from a wide range of risks, offering peace of mind on the road. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Despite Travelers' strong financial strength and diverse coverage options, some customers have expressed dissatisfaction with the company's customer service department. Complaints about the responsiveness and effectiveness of customer service representatives suggest that there may be room for improvement in this area. Addressing these concerns could enhance the overall customer experience and satisfaction levels. Travelers' basic rates for insurance policies without discounts are reported to be higher, making it less affordable for common drivers to secure coverage. This could be a drawback for individuals seeking cost-effective insurance options without the benefit of multiple discounts. The potential for higher premiums may deter some customers from choosing Travelers as their insurance provider. Travelers Car Insurance offers a wide range of coverage options, but some insurance types are limited to specific states only. This limitation may restrict certain drivers from accessing all the coverage options available, potentially leading to a mismatch between their needs and the insurance products offered by Travelers. Customers in states where certain coverage options are not available may find this limitation restrictive and opt for providers with more comprehensive offerings. Travelers Car Insurance offers a comprehensive range of coverage options and discounts, making it a popular choice for drivers seeking financial protection and peace of mind on the road. While some drawbacks exist, Travelers' strong financial foundation and commitment to customer satisfaction make it a reliable provider for many car insurance needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.